Hi, I'm Jessica Luchini with the K Grant Group. Today we're here at our latest listing, 2334 West Weldon Avenue. Let's go take a look around. Today we are in the Siesta Terrace neighborhood, centrally located in the heart of Phoenix. Neighboring Bel Air and Encanto, this popular neighborhood is surrounded by plenty of dining, shopping, hospitals, nightlife, and ultra-convenient freeway access. The home itself is a welcoming mid-century brick ranch-style home. The living room is crowned with a natural wood shiplap wall, a reading refuge, and 3 contemporary sliding glass windows that open from the middle. This home has a variety of artistic features, like the hunter green vintage farmhouse pendant light that showcases the dining area. The kitchen's breakfast nook soaks in the natural sunlight. The Saltillo tile's warm hue contrasts against the light sage green wooden framed panel cabinets, giving the home a modern bohemian twist. The Black Galaxy granite countertops and matte black hardware echo the neutral black accents throughout the home. The bedrooms are split, so the master takes the back of the home with an ensuite bathroom. Across the hall, we have 2 additional bedrooms, each with their own closet and linen closet. The last room of the home features another full-size bathroom with a white subway tiled shower. Finally, let's explore the large and lush backyard made for entertaining. With no HOA, you can choose to expand or create more space in this lovely home. This mid-century charmer is ready for you. Thanks for stopping by. Again, this is Jessica Luchini with the K Grant Group. If you have any questions about this home or any others, don't hesitate to reach out.